So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on Fotor. So once you open up Fotor, I'm just going to go ahead here and add some text. Type in the word shadow. I'll then make it a little bit smaller, then make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to add shadow behind the text as kind of an effect, it's very simple and straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top to where it says effects. Then on the left hand side, where it says shadow right here under style, I want you to go ahead and press on that. So by default, you can go ahead here and just add the shadow. That's kind of what it looks like if you want to adjust it a little bit more. Once again, go to effects right here. Where it says advanced settings, just like this, you can actually go ahead and change the color. So you can make the color whatever you want. So if you want to add maybe the shadow right here, the shadow color, you can go ahead and change the transparency, making it more or less. Same with the blur, kind of play around with it this way. Distance as well, how much you want to add shadow, as well as the angle. And then ultimately, as I mentioned before, the color, you can go ahead and change this to whatever you want. So if you want red shadow just like that, there you go. That's an example of shadow on your text. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add shadow to text here on a Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.